Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon friends, greetings from Fire Artists. I hope this video is useful for all of you, especially beginners. And for those who have just found this channel, please help subscribe, like, comment and share, thank you. This is a 2.5-inch diameter stainless steel flange welding process. I used 70 amperes to weld this flange, because the gap was too wide, namely 5 mm. For welding handlebar ceramics in this video use number 6, and the tungsten is 2.4 mm. If flange welding is usually recommended to be welded inside and out like this. Tips for beginner friends when doing a welding: rotate it if the item being welded can be rotated so that the results are better. Maybe in my opinion this method is the best way for beginners who want to learn to weld. But that beginners should do easy welding first, such as horizontal welding or something else, or you can also weld plates before jumping into pipe welding. Okay friends, happy watching this video to the end. Greetings Fire Artist. Okay. Thank you, friends, all of you have watched this video. I hope it's useful. Look forward to my next video. Once again, don't forget, please help subscribe, like, comment, and share. Greetings Fire Artist.